So he's tired. The only thing he did, that we went where there were trucks. We went around by the grade school. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. By Maplewood Grade School.
Oh, yes.
And the buses were coming. The kids were there. And he was a good boy. He just kind of, yeah, okay, whatever. And the only time that he got a little bit fishy was when this lady had 2 doggies and she had 1 line. But she walked kind of close. And so we went up on the knoll and I made him sit and he sat and watched him. But he had to get his fish in there. His fish track. You could
Good boy. Good boy, huh?
If I could take you home, I would in a minute, but Red Boy would not accept it.